channel. This is your boy John, and I am again welcoming to my lovely viewers to my channel Prosperity. Yeah, we welcome back to another brand new video, and this is a 10th video of my channel Prosperity. And I am usually uploading a content about to the website reviews, mostly investment reviews like a USA website, UK website. But today videos country of website is about to Canada. Yeah. In today's video, we are going to review this website. The name of this website, Angel Investment Network, like www.canadainvestmentnetwork.ca, right? Without wasting your single time, I'm just gonna start the video. Here is the channel. You just need to subscribe and get all notification when we upload a brand new video on our channel like this, so you can get a notification on your notification bar right here. Okay, if you are the new, you can watch our latest videos. This all about investments, right? Okay, so let's start the video. Today topic is just about to the Canada Angel Investor website, right? Connecting Canadian entrepreneurs and angel investors, where get businesses and great people meet. We bring together businesses looking for investment and investors with capital, contact, and knowledge to help them succeed, right? And I'm looking to fundraise and invest. Like what you are looking for, this website gives you two things, like fundraise and the invest, right? We will learn each and everything in this video. Okay, we have multiple options like invest, explore, search, fundraise, entrepreneur data page, invest, research, help, how it works, fundraise, frequently asked question, invest, frequently asked question, testimonials. Testimonials call for the reviews of this website, belong from this website and who is actually working being last years and last months, right? Funded companies, case studies, learn blog, overrated refund, and we can say login and sign up. Okay, so how you can create account, I will just tell you, but we have to look something on this website. Looking for Canadian investment opportunity. If you are looking into jump to the Canadian website, so this is a total overview, right? Browse our latest startup pitches from around Canada and connect with entrepreneurs, right? Coffin Club, right? IZ Adaptive Clothing, Good Natural Campaign, being INC, like multiple project. You can see total required minimum per investor, total required minimum per investor, total required minimum per investor, right? You can is it feature on Forbes, TechCrunch, Bloomberg, Business Insider, BBC, Startups, Entrepreneur, The Guardian, like the Times and Financial Times? Yes, is it? Okay, so join a growing community of entrepreneurs and investors. So we help investors and entrepreneurs build lasting and portfolio relationship to build better businesses and brighter future. Like this is they are the investment range persons. Basically, they are the sales project manager and areas of expertise. F&B and area of expertise, credit card transaction processing, debit card and payment card processing, uh, like uh, they belong from the Toronto, Canada, and they belong from the Ottawa, Canada, and he belong from the uh, like Baltimore, Canada, right? Our industries like software, they invest in. We connect investor with startups and businesses from all sectors to ensure the relationship is valuable to both parties, right? Like we belong from the software houses, properties, technology, food and beverage, hospitalized, restaurant, bars, medical and science, retail, media, business and services, product like invention, manufacturing and engine, and agriculture, fashion and beauty, like many other things like sales and marketing, transportation, education, right? So trusted by our customers across Canada. They are, this is a testimonial. Basically, over the past 15 years, we are raised funding for thousands of businesses who have been kind enough to recognize our support, right? So join our growing network calendar based on entrepreneurs and angel investors. Like sign up for an investor, sign up as a entrepreneur. Like how you want to sign up here. So here's the multiple platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can see the Bloomberg. And the name of this website is also support for PayPal, right? So this is a whole review of this website. I hope you got some points what I'm going to explain you, right? And if you have done an account, so you can click here, get started. Then you are investor, and like I'm going as investor. Put your name, put your email, put your password, and click on I agree. And the second one, then click on the create account, right? You will get your account over here. So this is an overall review of this website. I hope you got it, many points, right? So I hope you have learned many things. If you are the new, you can subscribe Prosperity. By the grace of God, we will gonna meet in the next video. uh, that's why take your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.